Okay, on behalf of Captain Tiago and his crew, we'd like to extend a warm welcome aboard this Century Express flight UO6812 to Hong Kong. Our flight time today will be 4 hours and 10 minutes. Hope you enjoy the journey just like we will. If not, may we please have attention to our safety demonstration. Thank you. Cabin crew, stand by for safety demonstration. Hello passengers, may you have attention to the safety demonstration. 各位乘客記得留意以下安全示範。If you are traveling heavy goods or large items, make sure they are stored in the overhead compartments for take-off and landing. 如果你有隨身攜帶手提行李或者大型文件，喺航機起飛同埋降落前，請確保放喺行李櫃入邊。Ensure electronic devices are switched off or set to airplane mode. Use of radios and transmitters is not allowed. If any electronic devices become trapped in your seat, please don't adjust your seat and ask our crew to help you. 請因兒子用品關掉或調校飛行模式。機艙內任何時候都唔可以使用無線電傳送設備。如果有任何電子產品攝喺座位入變成無線電嘅座位，通知我哋機艙過員。You can place any small items and leave the seat in front of you. 你可以將細件物件放喺前面座椅下。This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking or using e-cigarettes anywhere in the aircraft is against the law. 一般係禁煙航班喺機艙任何地方吸煙或者使用電子煙都係屬於違法。Your seatbelt fastens and unfastens like this. To adjust this, pull the strap until tight. We also have seatbelts available for children under 2, and seatbelts will be worn whenever the seatbelt sign is switched on. We recommend keeping it fastened even if the sign is off in case of unexpected turbulence. 以指示扣好或者架好安全帶，需要調校嘅時候可以將安全帶拉緊。我哋現有提供2歲以下兒童專用安全帶。當扣上安全帶燈號亮起，請必須扣好安全帶，即使燈號熄滅，我哋亦建議你繼續扣好，以防遇上突發嘅氣流。Oxygen masks will drop automatically if they are needed. Pull the mask down firmly, place it over your nose and mouth. Adjust it to fit, and breathe normally. Oxygen will flow without the back inflating, and ensure that your own mask is fitted correctly before helping others. 氧氣面罩會有需要嘅時候自動跌下，請用力拉下面罩蓋於後背上面，調校到合適位置，然後再作正常呼吸。氧氣袋無需充氣亦能提供氧氣。請先戴好你嘅氧氣面罩，再去照顧其他人。Your life jacket location is shown on the safety card, which is in your seat pocket. To use the life jacket, place it over your head. Loop the strap around your waist and fasten the buckle. Then pull the strap firmly to tighten it. 你耳袋入邊有一張安全指示卡，清楚指明救生衣位置。穿着救生衣嘅時候，先將救生衣套喺頸部，將腰帶圍住喺腰並扣好，然後索緊腰帶。Only inflate your life jacket when leaving the aircraft. To inflate it, simply pull the run toggle down firmly or blow into the tube. It also has a whistle and a light. 當離開機艙嘅時候，先至將救生衣充氣。需要充氣嘅時候，只需要拉下紅色手掣或者用充氣管吹氣。救生衣上面附有哨子同埋燈。If needed, our crew will provide life jackets for children and inflatable cot for babies. 若有需要，機艙服務員會提供兒童救生衣或者嬰兒浮床。If there is an emergency or when you hear the phrase brace, brace, adopt the position shown in your safety car. 緊急情況之下或者聽見 brace, brace， 請根據安全指示卡做出保護自己嘅姿勢。The escape path lighting switches on automatically during an emergency. Please follow the cruise instruction and go to the nearest exit. 緊急情況之下，逃生路線嘅照明系統係會自動亮起。請遵照機艙服務員指示去到最近嘅逃生出口。Our crew are pointing out the exits now. 機艙服務員現正為你指示逃生出口。Please take a look at your safety card for what to do in